So in this video, we will take a look at this portable speaker from Edict. So watch the full video and I will tell you everything about it. So Edict is a new sub-brand from Boat, which is very well known for Bluetooth headphones and speakers. This new brand from Boat is aimed towards more budget-friendly products. So when they launched this new speaker, I bought it and I have been using this speaker for more than 5 days and I have noticed so many things which will help you decide if you should really buy this speaker or not. Before starting, if you are new here and you end up liking the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give some feedback. Also, I'll be comparing this speaker to other speakers in this price, so turn on notifications to get notified about upcoming videos. So first, let's see what we get in the box. So it arrived in this blue box. The box was not in best condition, but it's fine. On the back side, it has some details about all the features of the speaker and some more information on the bottom. So that's the overview of the box. Now let's quickly open it. First thing we get is our favorite manual. Okay, now let me pull it outside. And this is the strap which you can attach to the speaker. Then there is a micro USB cable to charge the speaker. And you also get an aux cable. And here's the speaker itself. The fabric is not soft like other speakers in this price, but anyway it's good. On the bottom of the speaker there's some more details. On the top you will see 4 buttons. And here's the micro USB port and an aux port. So that's the overview of the speaker. Now let's talk about all the things I noticed after using it for more than 5 days. Let's start with charging time. So this speaker is having an 1200 mAh of battery and it takes around 2 hours to fill up from 0 to 100%, which is actually good. And about its playback time, I think Boat really need to pay attention to the marketing team, because on the box it is mentioned that it can give up to 4 hours of playback time, but in my test the speaker is capable to give up to 12 hours of playback time with 50% of volume. Even with 100% volume, it is capable to give around 6 or 7 hours of playback time, which is really good, and you probably will not play it at 100% volume every single time. And this speaker comes with latest Bluetooth 5.0. The pairing process is very easy and the connection stays strong even when you are in a different room. And there's slight latency while watching movies or videos on YouTube, but you will probably won't notice it unless you start nitpicking like me. And it also comes with TWS feature. So if your friend is also having the same speaker, you can pair them together for stereo sound and literally start chilling with your favorite beats. And on the box it's not mentioned that it comes with a built-in mic, but it does have a mic somewhere under the fabric. So I tried taking calls on this and the call quality is good, but you have to be near the speaker to attend the call or the person on the other side will not be able to hear you clearly. The speaker is IPX4 certified, so accidental water splashes won't damage the speaker. Okay, now let's talk about the most important thing about this speaker, the sound quality. The sound on this speaker is on the flat side with slight boost in bass, but it's not bad. The bass is adequate for the speaker of this size, and the trebles are slightly on the lower side according to my taste, but vocals are perfect and clear, and overall sound signature is just flat but it's clear. And the best thing about this speaker is that it maintains the same quality sound even at higher volumes. The distortion is very less. So this speaker is a very good choice for online lectures or listening to podcasts. And for music, I tried to tweak the sound a little bit with the equalizer by boosting the higher frequencies to get more brighter sound. And I found that this speaker is capable to deliver good quality sound thanks to the 5-watt driver. So overall, you will like the sound of this speaker if you like more flat sound signature. So this is a good option for you if you want a Bluetooth speaker with very good battery backup around the price of 1000 rupees. So that's all about Edict Bluetooth speaker. Thumbs up if you liked the video or thumbs down if you didn't, and let me know about your opinion in the comment section or feel free to ask any question. And there's a sound test for you after this. I know it won't be accurate, but it will give you the idea of the overall sound signature. Thanks, I will see you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe.